Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment and preserving what matters. Open Photoshop and verify your version so you apply the correct default set. Once done, export your existing presets to avoid accidental loss. Make sure Photoshop is closed when changing system-level defaults and free at least 2 GB disk space for caches. You'll also want to quit third-party panels that can block preference saves. Now, keep Photoshop ready and move to Preference Adjustments to set the default behavior. You'll now change the core defaults that shape every session. Open Edit Preferences and adjust performance. Allocate RAM, choose Scratch Disk, and enable or disable GPU depending on stability. This affects speed and reliability. Next, set file handling to enable auto-save at a practical interval and maximize compatibility so files open elsewhere. Finally, set interface units and default panels. Those determine how tools behave and where they appear. These steps make Photoshop predictable and efficient for your daily work. Finish by locking in tool and workspace defaults so you don't repeat setup. Reset any individual tool options via the tool icon menu, then arrange panels and choose Window Workspace New Workspace to save that layout as your default. Set your preferred save format and export presets for consistent output. If defaults don't stick, make sure you restart Photoshop. And as a key troubleshooting tip, reset all preferences by holding Alt plus Control plus Shift while launching Photoshop, which clears corrupt settings preventing your changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.